Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of tutorials on Python programming. I am Deepak Unyal, and in this tutorial I am going to cover this third question, and that is swap the content of two files. So let's use our previous concepts and try to swap the content of two files. If you have not seen my previous lecture on file handling, please go back and watch them first so that it's easier for you to understand the concept here. So let's start by looking at the concept of swapping content of two files. So suppose you have two variables A and B with value 2 and 3. So in Python you can basically do AB equal to BA and the content will be swapped. If you print these values after this, A will have 3 and B will have 2. But in other programming languages you can also do this thing. There is a temp variable in which you can pass A, and then A you can assign B, and in the B again you can assign temp. So this is the swapping logic in most of the languages like C and C++, but Python provide this short thing which is basically this one. You should always be aware about this logic if you are working with C or C++. So now use this logic and set the content of two files. Let's create a file here. This is file 1 and it has content Python. Another is file 2 and it has content Java. So basically we have to put Python here and Java here, right? So you have to read this file, so you need R mode. You have to again write this file, so you need W mode also. Similarly with this, so when we combine these modes we get R plus. So you can basically use R plus if you want to read and write a file. So what you have to do, with open, first thing is file name. You can call this file name 1 and you can use mode R plus as F1, and for another file I can write open file name 2 and then R plus as F2 and use these colons. Now we have to handler F1 and F2, but we need a variable also which is temp. So in temp you can get the content of first one, right? Or basically what you can do, just get the content of first file and we can make it content 1 equal to f1 dot read, content 2 equal to f2 dot read, right? So what we are trying to do here, we have these two contents, f1 dot read, f2 dot read. So basically after this step, this you can think like a rough work on the left side. So one is Python, another is Java. So basically content one is Python and another is Java, but we want to change it. And the important thing is we are not trying to change content 1 and content 2. We are basically trying to change the content of these files. Now we have read this content and it's in this variable, but we are not trying to change this variable. We need to think about this, okay? We are trying to change the content of files actually. So how can you do that? You have to write the content over those files, right? So what you can do, you can use f1 dot write because you have opened this file in R plus mode, so we can use read and write together. So f1 dot write, and here you have to put content 2, and similarly you can write f2 and content should be content 1. Clear? So this is the way you can swap the content of two files. After this, if you check the content of these two files, you will find out that This file has Java and this file has Python. So you can try these programs. If you find any doubt or any queries in this, you can write your queries in the comments and I will try to respond back as soon as possible. Soon you will get the running program on all these things, but it was a concept first. So I hope you understood it clearly. If you have any doubt or query, just try to write your queries in the comments. Okay. So if you like the content, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.